Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Welcome to my first look of the Shark corded upright with anti-hair up technology. As you can see on the left hand side, hair up, and on the right, anti-hair up technology. I'm really excited to bring you this vacuum cleaner. I'm itching to use it because I want to see if the technology does work. Regular viewers must have seen my review, what I did last year of the AZ950 UK. This one is AZ950 UK. I think everything else is pretty much the same apart from the new technology. Let's have a look at the top of the box. I just wanted to show you, you could see there, anti-hair up. They've got scissors there, you wouldn't need to use it. In this video I'm just going to unbox it, show you what's what, and then in a later day I will be doing a full review with the demonstration. I'll be bringing it up. Full disclosure, this was very kindly provided to me free of charge by Shark in exchange for an honest review. They did not ask me to say anything in particular or anything at all actually. They just gave me the vacuum to give them my honest review. 5 years guarantee there, as you can see. A bit more information on this side, anti-hair up, how it works. It's just giving the features on how it works. Okay, enough of me talking now. Let me open the box, take everything out, and then we'll go through what's what. First thing out the box, you get some paperwork. Shark DuoClean powered lift away with anti-hair up technology, model number AZ950 UK. Some information on there. Information leaflet. Just telling you how to take care of everything, how everything works. But you don't need to read that because I'm here to show you how everything works. You get a Shark accessories box. Open that up. Okay, this is interesting. You get an upholstery tool, which of course does angle in different positions. You get the 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush. Quite soft, that moves back if you want to use a crevice tool. That's a nice size crevice tool that to get into the side of your sofas, side of your car. And here's the new turbo brush. I have never seen anything like this before. They're not actual brushes, they're like these, I don't know what to call them, blades I guess, made out of rubber. So it should be good for your pet bedding, your car, and hair shouldn't wrap around this as well. It's got a litter picker there. Nice design. Get a Shark brand in there. And you can open this up to gain further access to clean it if you want. And it's not a motorized one, it's a air driven one. So here's the main head of the vacuum cleaner, DuoClean anti-hair up. It's still got the light there, so if you do get anything stuck it will turn red. Once you remove it and turn the vacuum back on it will stay green. It's got a foot symbol there. The famous LED lights of Shark, which are really helpful. It's got some rubber there, so if you bang it into your skirting boards and things like that it will not damage it. The DuoClean brush roll there. They've made some changes to the pipe there as well, because a lot of people did used to complain that their vacuum would get damaged from around there. Mine never did, and we've got thick pile carpet, we've got hard floor, and we've got low area rugs as well. And we've got long haired people in my house. We never had that, but people did used to say that, but that does feel a lot stiffer now. It does have some nice wheels there. They do look nice actually. It does have an eject button there, so push that, the roller would remove and you could clean that roller because that would get dirty from time to time. Just pop it back in, goes in one way, so yeah, pretty straightforward. If you turn it at the bottom, it's quite big. That 80-watt motor in the actual head itself. He has his own independent motor, which is good. There's the new technology here. It's got a felt strip there and roller there, and that it's rubber, that's same as what was on the pet hair. And then if I can move it, the brushes, they do feel quite firm. It does have them little gauges there. This head does have these 3 things, so if you get a coin and you can lock or unlock them, and then that would remove off. You could see if there's any blockage in there, because you do not need to clean the brush roll. Well, that's what a Shark say. We'll find out after my demonstration. The handle with the pipe, that would of course go into the back of the vacuum cleaner. I'll show you that. Pipe does feel of good quality. It's got a clip there. The main handle. It's got a little swing ticket on the anti-hair wrap, how it works. What's on this side? Powered lift away, just some information, 5 years guarantee. The handle itself, it does have a handle release button there. And it will have a light at the front when you turn it on off, and some selections. So you've got your hard floor, you've got carpet and low pile, and then you've got the thick pile carpet and area rugs. So that would be perfect for me because I have all three in my house, as I've mentioned before. Shark branding there, that's the wand. I think that's made out of aluminium. Nice colours, you can see at the back there. It's got the wand release button. It's got a storage hook there. Okay, let's get the pod. The main suction pod of the Shark powered lift away. You can see at the top there it says max fill. So you've got a lot of bin capacity in this. You've got your HEPA filters down there. There is a little catch there. Push that, will come off. You've got two filters. This one, and then you've got a felt one. Wash these every year. Make sure they're completely dry before you put them back in. Like that. And that would go in. The clip back in like so. You've got a 8-meter power cord. I think it's 8 meter. I will leave a link to Shark's website in the description box below, where you could pick up spare filters and accessories for this vacuum cleaner as well, and find out more technical details, because they used to come with a swing ticket but they don't anymore. You've got your cord hook there. At the back, this is where two tools will live aboard. You've got a Shark sticker at the back there. This suction pod is 750 watt. That's where the pipe would go, which I will show you in a bit. It's got a dust cup release button there. Push that, remove this. When you remove this, you've got two more filters in there. You've got your foam filter here. You can wash that, make sure it's completely dry before you insert it back. Shark recommend 3 months, but if you use your vacuum a lot more than that, just keep an eye on them. You've got that filter, and then you've got another filter at the bottom, which for some reason does not have a tab. The older model did have a tab. This one does not, which makes it difficult for me to take it out, but I'll point the vacuum at you. Let me just... bloody hell, I had to wrestle to get that out. There's that. But that's that. Not there. Okay, that's the pod. Let's look at the bin. If you push that, all the dirt will come out, and you can clean that as well with the damp cloth. At the top, push, that opens up, and you've got access to the top bit of the bin as well, because sometimes they get really dirty. In most vacuum cleaners you can't get to the top, but with Shark you can. That mesh filter around there, you will get hair wrapped around that, but you can open this and remove them from here, and you can clean this with a damp cloth as well. Insert it back on. You just push it on, clicks back on. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll assemble the vacuum cleaner, and then I'll turn it on. Let's see how it sounds, if it's louder or quieter than the older model. I'll leave a link in the description box to that as well if you haven't seen that review, and then a full review will follow, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel to watch the full review. Assembly of the Shark powered lift away is pretty straightforward. It's all a click fit system. You could see where it says Shark there, that would click in first. Here it click, that's secure. Next is the handle. You get that, and that clicks in as well. After you've assembled the handle, you get the pod, and that just fits on. You hear a click. It's all a click fit system. You get the pipe, and that goes on like so. That clicks into place as well. The last part to finish the assembly of the Shark is you just push this in the pipe, and then you just wrap the cord around. Two tools live on the back of the Shark pod. You can see there you've got your upholstery tool and the 2-in-1 crevice and dusting brush. If I wanted to use the tools, I can use them directly onto the handle. They fit on like so, and then just turn it on. You can see that spinning. It does have a light there as well. This machine does sound a lot quieter. Or you could use the tools on the wand itself. Okay, let's give it a quick go. I'm going to be using it on my rug, which is low pile, so I'm going to leave it on the medium setting. Let's give it a quick go on the hard floor. I'll select the hard floor setting, turn it on, and just put this pipe back in. I just did a quick little vacuum there, but I just wanted to show you. Let me just release the dust. Look at that. I mean, I did not even know that I had that much dust on my rug and my hard floor. I just vacuumed my floor the other day, but look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. It's picked that up. It's a lot quieter. I was thinking it'd be heavy because of the XL size. The machine would be heavy, but it's not that heavy. I mean, when you're using it, it's not heavy, but like this, if you were to pick it up, it is slightly heavy, but it does cover a larger area with the bigger head and a bigger bin. That was a quick look at the Shark powered lift away with anti-hair up technology. I think my friends in the USA will know this as the Shark 0M, I think it is. If you do have one, do let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned to GrumpyMan's reviews. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you'll find out when my full review comes out. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you all in my next video.